the Gearhead Garage, your trusted place for the latest reviews, insights and updates from the world of automobiles. Whether it is two-wheelers, four-wheelers, electric vehicles or commercial rides, we cover everything with detail and clarity. In today's video we bring you an in-depth look at the 2025 Mahindra Alfa Electric Rickshaw, a new-age electric three-wheeler designed to meet the needs of urban and rural mobility with efficiency, economy and eco-friendliness. The 2025 Mahindra Alfa Electric Rickshaw is built for the future. It blends modern technology with a practical design that suits the needs of small business owners, fleet operators and last-mile transportation service providers. The vehicle maintains the classic three-wheeler form factor while introducing cleaner and more sustainable power thanks to its all-electric setup. Under the hood, or rather beneath the seat, this rickshaw features a powerful 1.64 kW lithium-ion battery pack that powers its efficient electric motor. The setup is designed to offer a driving range of approximately 80 to 90 km on a single charge, which is ideal for short daily commutes and cargo deliveries in city areas. The top speed of the Alfa Electric is kept practical for safety and efficiency, hovering around 45 km per hour, ensuring a smooth and reliable ride experience. Charging the battery is straightforward. It supports standard charging at home or at designated EV charging stations, and it takes about 6 to 8 hours for a full charge. The lower operating cost compared to petrol or diesel alternatives makes this rickshaw an economical choice in the long term, and the electric motor ensures lower maintenance since it has fewer moving parts than an internal combustion engine. The exterior design of the Alfa Electric is sturdy and functional. The rickshaw comes with a strong metal body and a reinforced chassis that can handle tough road conditions and carry a decent load capacity. The body is aerodynamically optimized for better performance, and the color schemes offered are fresh and visually appealing, contributing to a more modern look for a traditional form of transport. Inside the cabin, the driver benefits from a well-designed dashboard that includes a digital instrument cluster displaying speed, battery charge status, range and trip information. The handlebar and controls are ergonomically placed for ease of use. The seats are cushioned adequately to ensure passenger comfort, and the back area is spacious enough to comfortably seat 3 adult passengers. The seating is arranged to maximize space without compromising on comfort or safety. For ride quality, Mahindra has equipped the Alfa Electric with a capable suspension system. Hydraulic shock absorbers in the front and coil springs at the rear help smooth out bumpy roads and uneven surfaces commonly found in Indian towns and cities. The mechanical drum brakes provide reliable stopping power, and the handbrake ensures additional safety when parked. A unique advantage of the Alfa Electric is its tight turning radius. This makes it ideal for congested city streets, narrow lanes and busy markets where maneuverability is crucial. It also features high ground clearance, so it can handle speed breakers and rough patches with ease. In terms of durability, the Alfa Electric is built to last. It is constructed using high-grade materials that are resistant to corrosion and wear, ensuring that the vehicle maintains its performance and appearance even after extended use. The electric components are weather-sealed and designed to withstand the challenges of Indian roads and weather conditions. Mahindra has also emphasized safety and utility. The rickshaw is equipped with bright headlamps, clear turn indicators and a horn system to enhance visibility and awareness. On the road, there is space for small cargo or goods, making it a dual-purpose vehicle suitable for both passenger transport and small business logistics. From a sustainability perspective, the Alfa Electric helps reduce air pollution and noise pollution in cities and towns since it operates with zero tailpipe emissions. It supports cleaner air and aligns with India's growing push toward electric mobility and greener transport solutions. The total cost of ownership of the Mahindra Alfa Electric is significantly lower than its petrol or diesel counterparts. This makes it an attractive option for drivers looking to earn a steady income with minimal expenses. It also qualifies for various state and central government subsidies and benefits related to electric vehicles, making it even more affordable. Mahindra's established service network across the country ensures that customers receive support when needed, from scheduled maintenance to part replacement and warranty services. Mahindra offers a reliable support ecosystem that gives peace of mind to owners and operators alike. This electric rickshaw is not just a product but a step toward a cleaner and smarter future of urban transportation. With increasing awareness of environmental concerns and rising fuel prices, electric rickshaws are becoming a necessity rather than an alternative. The Alfa Electric from Mahindra stands as a dependable option that is ready to meet this demand with confidence. Whether you are a commuter, business owner, delivery service operator or simply someone exploring electric vehicles, the 2025 Mahindra Alfa Electric Rickshaw deserves your attention. It delivers on all fronts, from performance to comfort to economy and sustainability. This is the Gearhead Garage, your source for everything that runs on wheels. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos and updates. Stay tuned for more honest reviews, detailed specs and comparisons from the world of automobiles. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.